In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your phone number on Discord. Verifying your phone number is an important step to keep your Discord account secure and to unlock certain features, like joining some servers or recovering your account if you ever get locked out. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process from inside the Discord app so you can follow along easily. First, open the Discord app on your device. You can do this on desktop or mobile. The process is very similar. Once the app is open and you're logged into your account, head to your user settings. On desktop, this is the small gear icon near your username at the bottom left. On mobile, tap your profile picture at the bottom right to open the settings menu. Inside settings, look for the section that controls your account information. It's usually called My Account or simply Account. Tap or click that, and you should see your basic details, like your username, email, and a spot for your phone number. Find the area labeled Phone Number. If you haven't added one yet, there will be an option to add or verify a phone number. Go ahead and select that. A box or screen will appear asking you to enter your phone number. Make sure to choose the correct country code first. Then type in your active mobile number carefully. It's best to double-check that you've entered it correctly, since the verification code will be sent there. After you've entered your number, confirm or continue. Discord will now send a text message with a short verification code to the phone number you provided. This can take a few seconds, so be patient. When the code arrives, switch back to Discord and enter that code into the verification field. If the code is correct and still valid, Discord will accept it and link your phone number to your account. You should see a confirmation message and your phone number will now show as verified in your account settings. If you get an error, carefully re-enter the code or request a new one if too much time has passed. Once it's verified, your account will be more secure and you'll be able to use features that require phone verification. That's all you need to do to verify your phone number on Discord.